What's up, y'all? About to get my hair done by Bam today, so y'all stay tuned for the final look and see how this come out. We are rolling. Okay, this is nice. Okay.
My friend was ringing the doorbell. Oh,
No. Okay, y'all. So, Bam's boyfriend, who's also his assistant, started cleaning me off. Got some soap and water. Started cleaning my edges off right there. Just, making sure it's oil free. There go Bam. If y'all ever get your hair done by Bam and him and his boyfriend are such a key, I always have a good time with them. They are so sweet and funny. They will make you feel like as if they knew you for years. Now, for those of y'all that don't know Bam works with a lot of celebrity clients. Here go his Instagram page. You can just see right here. He worked with a lot of celebrity clients. And y'all, he is not that expensive, and his story is so immaculate. He came out here from Philly. He was living in a hotel room. They got his little nice apartment. Now they live in another luxury apartment. And, I just love them. It's always a key, and he never act funny. He always available. He ain't like these other LA hairstylists. Look at him up here talking. We was talking about so much, y'all had to mute it. But, yeah, he always get my little bald-headed ass together. And, yep, there go his boyfriend, his assistant right there. And he is so sweet as well. But, y'all, don't try to take advantage of him if you get your hair done. He's only there to assist with hair. Not go to your car. Not watch your dog. Like, come on now. We was talking right there, y'all. Why is it so hard to get your hair done by LA hairstylists? They will literally take your deposit, flake on you, tell you to come at this time, not show up. Like, it's so ridiculous to the point where I just, don't even bother anymore to sometimes even do maintenance. But if I want a wig, Bam is always there. We just talking and chit-chatting about these LA hairstylists. I'm telling him my story, how the girl had me come one day and it was my appointment time. She had a flat. Things happen. So, I go the next day, tell me to come at 8:30 in the morning. She don't answer. She did send my deposit back, but she didn't answer, didn't apologize to me, nothing. But I'm like, word, girl, are you for real? Well, I'm always available here. Now here go Bam, plucking a wig while we chit-chat some more. And here go his little dogs, y'all, that I was scared in the beginning. They bark, but I done been around them many a times. They just bark and slap my hood on. They was barking even more. They don't be worried about me, but y'all, I'm terrified of dogs. He be like, girl, you done been here many a times. There go his boo in the corner and some of Bam's wigs. Y'all, I don't know what was wrong. Y'all know when y'all get eyelashes, y'all eye just seem like it has something in it all the time. It did though, but it just seemed like all the time when I get eyelashes, something's always in it. So I was itching. I haven't had wore a single lash in a minute. So y'all, yeah. And we about to start. Here go Bam. They was giving me compliments too, like, girl, what you do to your skin? It's looking great. What have you been doing? I'm like, yeah, just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And here we go, putting on my wig. We're going to do some more of these because I always go to Bam, but I just start vlogging in y'all. We're going to do some more of these with him because he wanted to get me right, period. Now this was a curly wig I ordered from AliExpress. I'm gonna put the link in the bio. It's pretty good. They said it was 26 inches. I don't know about that. It was giving more like 20. But you know, curly hair shrink up real bad. But they said it was 26 inches. But yeah, I always order here from AliExpress or Alibaba since like way back when, since like 2012. People be selling here, and all they doing is selling it off AliExpress or Alibaba, getting them a little good vendor. But if y'all still want to go ahead and buy from them and they vendor, go right ahead. Or if you want to do your own research and go to Alibaba, AliExpress, go ahead, but make sure you look at the reviews, look at the texture, look at what you're buying, everything. Because AliExpress is not the same. Alibaba is different. You can find a good little vendor, but AliExpress is not the same. And if y'all want to, I will even give y'all a good vendor in the bio. Yeah, y'all see my skin was popping. They was like, girl, what you been doing? I'm like, nothing, a little bit of this. Y'all want a skin routine video? I'll do that too. But yeah, I was just like, nothing, just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I was like, okay, girl, I'm loving it. Y'all, I don't know what it was. Something was itching my face like the whole freaking day. My eyes, my face. I don't know what it was. Or maybe my mind was playing tricks on me because my eye was itching. I don't know. So, y'all, my phone was tripping saying it's out of storage when I just bought more storage. So, I don't know. But this is how it turned out, y'all. I screenshotted some of the pictures from the video. And how y'all like it? Let me know in the comments.